Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your trading mentor's free trading video for Thursday, February 17th, 2011. Today we had a total of 2 executable trade signals for a max potential of 15 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 13:30.25. We came off of an 8:30 news announcement that pushed the market down a little bit, and we put in a new lows at 28.50. Kind of was basing sideways into the open, and on the open we actually had a signal to get long. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 6 ticks as we filled our high probability half gap and 415 gap on the day, and that high probability had to do with the range in which we were opening this morning. So the first trade set off, we actually had a reset of our signal, and then there was another signal right at 10:30. We had some other news at 10 o'clock that kind of ran up and came back to the its initial starting point and kind of did a couple head fakes and gave us a reset of our signal here. And when we got our reset into the long side, we actually got a nice signal to get long. Didn't take any heat on it really at all. The only problem was we got our first contract off, and then we kind of look at this range. It just based sideways. I mean, this was excruciating for the people that were in the trade, because we were right up against our profit target, just off by 1 tick here, and it just kept coming up and hitting its head on that 4 o'clock close. And you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rotations before it finally broke out. But more importantly, on the breakout, not only did we get the initial setup filled, but if you had extra contracts, there was an opportunity to run, because we had a larger term breakout pattern. If you look at go look at like a 24-hour based chart, and you can very easily identify the wedge that we were trading in. And we were definitely watching that in our room this morning, and as soon as that wedge broke, there was obviously some breakout players and some stops and things that hit, but the market immediately made a run up. And if you just imagine you know, the folks that were able to get in down here, say at 32.50, 32.25, and then if you one thing that we like to do in our room is just trail our gold line and wait for a stop out to happen based off of a technique we use there. We did not get stopped out on a gold line trail until 38. So there was opportunity today for the people in the room and that were running behind this to go from, you know, a signal entry at 32, take profits 1, profits 2, and then run with just a simple gold line trail, and from 32 to 38. And in fact, they probably the target off of this longer term swing that actually set up this morning on a retest right around 9 o'clock, we actually had a full target that we were looking for right around 39.25. So it came right up, hit our target, and then ultimately sold off right into the close there. So ended up being a great day, and it's just set up to be really an extraordinary options expiration week. Tomorrow is options expiration. Friday of options expiration week is always a little difficult to trade. If you're new, I suggest you just hang back and just observe the markets tomorrow. We've had a great week. Ended up today, 2 trades, 15 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com, or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.